Today we will see finding the area of the ellipse x squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared equal to 1. Before starting the problem, let us first draw the diagram. This is the ellipse diagram. The center of the ellipse, semi-major axis. This is minus a comma 0, 0 comma b, 0 comma minus b. First we will find out the limits of the x and y. To find the limits of x, put y equal to 0, we get x squared by a squared plus 0 by b squared equal to 1, x squared by a squared equal to 1, which implies x squared equal to a squared, x is equal to plus or minus a. So, this is the line x equal to minus a, x equal to plus a. Then to get limits of y, put x equal to 0, we get y squared equal to b squared, that implies y equal to plus or minus b. So, we have how to get the limits. So, now what is the area of the ellipse? Area of the ellipse is 4 times area of the quadrant. Which part is the quadrant? This part is the quadrant. If I want to take vertical strip or horizontal strip, we will have to find the limits for x and y. Therefore, we can say area of the ellipse is equal to 4 times double integral dx dy. Area will always be given by double integral dx dy, and it is only the quadrant we are going to find out and multiplied by 4 times. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and therefore, in one quadrant if you are going to find out the area respectively multiplied by 4, you will be getting the area of the ellipse. Now, my main idea is to find out this region. So, what are this is the line y equal to 0, this is the line x is equal to 0, and this is the part x is equal to a, and this is y equal to b. Now, I am going to take the strip y equal to 0, and what is y from here? From the given equation, x squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared equal to 1. What is y squared by b squared? That is 1 minus x squared by a squared. Y is equal to b by a into root of a squared minus x squared. Therefore, I will find out only double integral. Therefore, double integral dx dy, or I can write it as dy dx, whichever suitable for me. What are the limits of, because I am going to take the vertical strip, y equal to 0 to y equal to b by a into root of a squared minus x squared. Then tell me what is the limits of x. X will start from a and it will end with x limit starting from a and ending with 0 to a. What are the limits of x? 0 to a. Therefore, 0 to a, double integral dy dx, integration of y, integral of dy will be y between 0 to b by a root of a squared minus x squared dx. B by a can be taken out, integral 0 to a root of a squared minus x squared dx. By formula, what is root of a square minus x squared? A squared by 2 sin inverse of x by a plus x by 2 into root of a squared minus x squared. Substituting the limits, you are getting b by a squared by 2 sin inverse of a by a plus a by 2 into root of a squared minus a squared. This becomes 0 minus, when you substitute the lower limit, sin inverse of 0 is 0, 0 by 2 into root of a squared will become 0, and therefore finally I get b by a squared by 2 sin inverse of 1, cancel 1a, you get ab divided by 2 into sin inverse of 1. What is sin inverse of 1? Sin 90 is 1, sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2. This is what we have found out is only the area of the quadrant. Therefore, area of the ellipse is equal to 4 times pi AB divided by 4. Therefore, 4 get cancelled. You are getting pi AB square units.